Hi everybody, it's Jennifer Labre and I'm here today with a super easy card, but it's a beautiful card and it's perfect for Christmas or winter or whatever you want to do with it. We're going to be using the product of the week, which is Snow is Glistening. This is a gorgeous stamp set, especially for those of you that love snowflakes. I love the sentiments, the beautiful snowflakes, really gorgeous set. And this is the card we're going to do today. Again, it's really simple and really elegant, and I hope you enjoy it. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is grab a sheet of Whisper White cardstock, cut it in half lengthwise, and then we'll score it at 5.5. Okay. Take our bone folder, just give it a nice crisp crease. Okay, we're going to use some of the silver foil cardstock. This is cut at 5 1/4 by 4 inches. And then I've got a sheet of the Whisper White cardstock. This is 5 inches by 3 3/4. And we're going to stamp the large Christmas tree stamp, or snowflake tree, whatever you want to call it, as well as the joy. And I've already got those out on blocks. And we're just going to use our Versamark because we are going to be embossing. So let's get these inked up. Sometimes it's hard to ink with these because you can't see where the ink is going. So you just got to trust that you got it all. We're going to stamp it towards the top of the cardstock to leave some room for the joy. Stamp the joy as well, or ink up the joy with the Versamark. Okay, close that up. And we're going to take our silver embossing powder and a sheet of scratch paper, and we'll just, here, let me put it this way. There we go. Make sure we got it all. Now you'll see I've got a little spot there that's not stamping. That happened with my sample card as well, and that's why I ended up putting the little snowflake trinket there. So that's perfectly fine. And then for something like this, we just use a brush to get rid of that. Okay. Okay, we'll set that aside for a moment while I clean this up. Always fun putting embossing powder back in the container. Not. Okay. I got it all over. Lovely. Okay, we're going to take our heat gun and heat that up. And this just takes short amount of time to do this, but it's really cool to watch. Okay, there we go. Hopefully you can see that silver embossing. All right, and then we will put our card together. I'm using snail. And we'll just get the back of the silver foil. There we go. Looks like my card didn't fold evenly in half, but that's okay. And then we'll do this also in the center. And then I'm grabbing one of the snowflake trinkets. These are also available in the Snowflake Showcase. Gorgeous gorgeous snowflakes. They come in a couple different styles, and we'll just use a glue dot to put that on. Whoops, trying to get away from me there. Okay, and again, we'll put it right over that spot that didn't want to stamp for us. And there you go, there's our card. Again, this is just a quick and easy card, but it's so beautiful. I'm sure anyone would love to receive one of these. I hope you enjoyed our tutorial today. Please feel free to check out my blog for all the product information, as well as upcoming specials and other things I've got going on. And that's located at jenniferlabre.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.